Dude, right on the money. I really hope I'm rolling, but I can't look down for a second. Alrighty, welcome back. We're back on Pizza Pond. We got our pizza last time. It's probably been about like a week since we've been here, and we went right back to kind of the weed bed that we had luck on. We found out the water's been treated, so I don't know if that changed where the fish are, because a lot of the weeds are gonna die off. So we're starting where we know they were. Yeah, that makes sense. And I think give this place a fair chance. And there are some deeper water here. There's also a couple of rivers in the back that we might check out. We're just gonna take it one step at a time. But yeah, we're back. It's super hot today, and I don't know. Sean, you have anything to add?
Nope.
All right, we're gonna get down to fishing. All right, so I already fished for 10-15 minutes throwing the wacky. Oh, I should probably check my brakes. Jack, how do you dial a rod? Do you put the brakes at 5 and adjust the spool tension? Yeah, but where do you put the brakes when you're adjusting the spool tension? So I'm running straight 20-pound braid on this, and I think the rod, it's advertised as a fast action, but it's definitely not, so the frog has a hard time walking.
Yeah, I'm not to move.
Me too.
I'm not a bite.
Me either. Yo, someone just ate right there. Did you see that?
Yeah, that's where we're going.
All right. That's good. Oh, I think it's all dragonflies taking a dunk. I want to see a toad come out of that.
What?
All right, we're gonna keep moving once you stop. So. Yeah, I don't think we're moving anywhere too fast. Whatever you want it to be. Something big just ate right there. You see that, Sean?
Yeah. That's how.
Dude, right on the money. I really hope I'm rolling, but I can't look down for a second. Oh my God! Oh, no. All right, stay on, stay on, stay on, stay on. Get out of the weeds, get out of the weeds, get out of the weeds, get out of the weeds. Get out. Dude, get the net, get the net. Ready? Coming your way. Sean, coming your way. Coming your way. Coming your way.
Flip him in. You got him. Hey,
Wow.
that's a good fish.
First frogfish, dude.
Nice.
Let's go. Jack's on 2 over there. Let me see him. All right.
Oh!
All right, don't let him get off, dude. Don't.
Take it. Jesus, he's angry.
Oh, was I rolling? I was rolling on both of them, baby. Let's go.
Nice.
Wow. Dude, first frogfish I saw him eat over there.
Yeah, I saw that. That was sick. Isn't it so nice catching a frog?
Oh my God. Hey, Jack. Frogfish. Frogfish. All right.
There you go, dude.
Probably half pound, nothing crazy, but I'm just like,
Closer to a pound.
I'm so happy, dude. I've
That's
been
closer
more.
to a pound.
Yeah, actually, probably right. Good fish.
Good looking fish.
All right, folks, we're gonna get this guy back in the water. Oh, we got muck and stuff over here.
Is that the one you saw jump?
Yeah, dude, I can't believe I got that cast so money.
Nice.
Dude, that was incredible. Watching it blow up, and then because I've seen.
You got that on video.
Yeah, I would, dude. And right before I caught it, I said, I really hope I'm rolling right now, but I can't look up for a second. And I look up, and all of a sudden just, whoomp. I only had one of the hooks in him too. All right, maybe the frog's the juice today. All right, so I'm gonna throw paddle tail on the back of my spinner bait. Figured I'd show you guys. Some of you guys might be new to fishing, and I know when I was new, I definitely appreciated a video that gave me some tips. So, how I rig these, whatever side you want on the bottom, you put facing out. So, I have this glittery stuff on the top with the hook keeper. I'm just gonna put it right through the tip. Just about. Keep going. And it's you're gonna get better as you do it. There's really no like sure way. You just got to guesstimate the length of your bait and when to pop out the hook, because wherever you pop it out, all the rest of that's going to come down. So, all right, we'll call it. It might have been a little too early. Keep going. We'll call it right there, a little shallower. Right there. Pop it out, and you push it. A lot of these will have bait keepers. This says 2. Push it up over the bait keeper and straighten it out. So this one I kind of did a little bit too far down. If that ever happens, you can do a couple things. You can kind of rip some of the top off. You can get your nail in there. Definitely the easiest way, because you don't want to keep putting them on and off and then you kind of lose there. Get all ripped up. I'm just gonna rip a little bit off this guy just by digging my nail in there. Because you want a nice straight bait. So that goes on a lot better. Still not perfect, but can get a little more on. Definitely better. So now the good thing about oh, I actually did it upside down. So usually I do the paddle facing the other way. It's fine. But when you throw a paddle tail on a spinnerbait or a chatterbait, it allows you to retrieve slower and it'll stay higher in the water column. You might think this makes it heavier, but the resistance as you're pulling it in makes it rise up in that water column. So this is good if you want to do a nice slow roll. But we're gonna get this guy in the water. All right, let me fill you guys in real quick. We got Buddy ripping with the tubes.
We're moving at about 3 miles
Yeah,
per hour.
we're moving at the speed of a baby crawl, and we're not in a boat with a V-hull. This could get interesting.
I'm scared.
Yeah. We'll just do what your dad said. Hit the back end.
Yeah, dude, we're not moving it up fast enough to catch the back end. He's gonna keep going around. We have to go like a different way.
All right, start cutting to the left. It's coming.
Alright, this is it right here.
Yeah, well, nose in a little bit more. All right.
Oh man. Like,
Oh, don't turn that way, dude. What are you freaking out about?
oh, I'm freaking out.
Why would you take it this way? 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 Dude, that was the dumbest thing you could have possibly done. You're literally at a 45-degree angle. Oh my God.
I freaked out.
Yeah, dude. I'm like, what are you doing?
We gotta get out of here. Going faster. On the high settings. He's whipping. Dude.
Dude, is this guy serious?
Wait. Where is he?
We're gonna get clapped.
I know he's turning.
Dude, we might be able to row faster, Sean. All right, I've taken matters into my own hands. I'm getting us out of here.
Oh yeah, I'll take the paddle with the motor.
That's what I'm saying.
Alright.
Oh my God, dude, this guy's scaring me. Oh, we got Jet Ski McGee. Why are we turning left? Well, the entrance is over there.
Oh, but that guy's over there.
Uh-oh. Someone just got dumped. All right, go that way, dude. Towards the safe zone. Why are we going this way?
Safe zone's where he's circling like a shark, dude.
All right, but if you start going this way, he's gonna start running this way, and we'll never be able to go. If you know it's that way, and we just go and then sneak in, we're fine. I am, but I'm trying to turn us the right way.
Oh, you know what? The motor's going straight. I got right side.
All right. All right, now in unison. You ready? Go forward. Pull. 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 Oh, now we're moving. Yo, what is this guy doing?
Hey, this guy's just a kid who's an idiot and has no courtesy. The guy on the boat knows
Yeah.
we're trying to cross.
All right.
Probably something.
No, it's two girls.
Yeah. That makes me feel better.
Yeah. Yeah. Gonna.
No, it's a jet ski wake, bro. We're fine. Trust me. They don't put off a big wake at all.
I know.
Keep going. Dude, I don't want to put my friends run us back.
Dude, we just gotta make it.
Lee.
Sean, if we go that way.
Dude, Lee, he has to move, okay? Like, he's gonna start going.
All right, then you paddle and I don't to turn.
Alright, we don't want to go right in front of a boat. Because if we go right in front of a boat, he can't even see us. And he can just go up and literally hit us.
All right.
Behind you. Like, you never, ever, on a big boat or a small boat, want to come in front of a boat. Because when you're on a boat, dude, and you're on a plane, the bow of your boat's up. Like, the front of your boat's out of the water. So, he can't see now, right in front of him. So if we got right in front of him and he didn't check before he started moving, he was looking at his kids on the tubes.
We'd be toast.
He nails us.
All right, hold on. He's gonna do a big V cut and go all the way down that way. Oh, let me get a couple paddles in to turn us.
I was just trying to keep it straight.
Love the smell of two-stroke.
It is a nice smell. It's like a
Man smell.
pure adrenaline. Before in case of fall.
Yeah. The GoPro will break.
I would lose so much.
Yeah. Same. A lot of money would be lost. agree. No, not that hard, not that hard, not that hard, not that hard.
See this?
Good, right there. Aw, jeez, dude, they're rising. Oh God, Sean. Yeah, thanks. Oh, dude, this is Sean, this is Sean, this is Sean, this is Sean, this is No? Alright, we're good. Get the out of here. Yeah. It's still coming, dude. We gotta move. No sense looking at it, buddy.
I had the motor on.
Jesus Christ, dude. Oh my God, dude, that's what we just missed. Oh my God. Dude. We would have been done. We would have been donezo. Oh my God. Get me home. Get me home. All right, if he comes over again, I'm saying something. If it's helping me, you should angle it the other way. Yeah. Yeah. All right, now good. Cut back. Dude, that would have been...
I would have lost my phone, all that tackle, a lot of batteries, and probably the trolling motor. Nah, the trolling motor. What's up with the boat?
I would have lost
Oh,
so much money, dude. Might as well get it.
ready?
Yeah. Oh. I can't see any rocks.
Just trying to feel now.
Okay. Ass end. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. Keep going. Pull more my way. Now push. Send it home. A little more. Yeah. Put my bags.